Let me show you everything you need to know to grow your own cucumbers at home in just 2 minutes. Let's start with the seeds. You basically can choose every variety you like, but make sure that you get high-quality seeds. My favorite varieties are Salad Bush and Space Master. You could also use seeds directly from a cucumber, but store-bought are usually better. Cucumbers prefer well-draining, fertile soil. I like to add some compost or well-rotted organic matter to improve its texture and fertility. This will provide the plants with the nutrients they need to grow. For sowing, the seeds are buried about 1 centimeter deep and covered with a thin layer of soil. Water the seeds, and you are done. You could also plant the seeds directly outdoors, but I prefer to start growing them indoors. Here is a scene from my time-lapse channel to show you how the cucumber plant grows. When you are growing cucumber plants indoors, make sure to repot them when they start to get bigger. I like to repot them when they start to grow tendrils. For cucumbers, it's important to use a climbing frame. Here you can see how the cucumber plant uses the climbing frame to grow toward the light. To make sure your plant has everything it needs, feed your cucumber plants with a balanced fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. To get more cucumbers, you can help with the pollination. Use a brush to collect pollen from a male flower and use it to pollinate the female flower with a little cucumber. As you can see, my plant outdoors already grows some cucumbers, but let us have a look at the cucumber growth in time-lapse. By the way, if you like my tutorials, dropping a like or comment would really help me out. When your cucumber got the right size, you can harvest it and enjoy your own grown food. Thanks for watching and see you next time.